Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start in object mode. Press Tab to enter edit mode and switch to edge select so you act on edges directly. Once done, hover and Alt plus click to grab an edge loop or Shift plus click to add single edges. This is faster than selecting vertices. Make sure to enable X-ray or hide obstructing faces if you cannot reach the edge, because visibility often blocks selection. Also check that you're on the correct mesh and object. You can't delete edges on a different object without selecting it first. You now decide whether to remove geometry or keep topology. Press X or Delete to open the removal menu. If you want to remove the edge but keep surrounding faces, choose Dissolve Edges. This preserves surface continuity. If you want to cut geometry away, pick Delete Edges or Faces, which creates a hole. After deleting, inspect the mesh and use Merge by Distance or the Cleanup menu to remove stray vertices and fix non-manifold edges, because leftover vertices or faces can break shading and modifiers. You finish by checking for shading or topology issues, recalculate normals with Shift plus N to correct flipped faces and inspect for holes. Once done, use Merge by Distance to remove any tiny leftover vertices that create artifacts. Make sure modifiers like subdivision surface still behave. Apply or adjust them if edges deletion altered the result. If something goes wrong, immediately press Ctrl plus Z to undo and try Dissolve instead of Delete, or rebuild the region manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.